Here's a look at the trades in the market for Monday, June the 15th, 2009 through the eyes of eminidaytrader. We always like to start with our profiles, which include the overnight session. This is the overnight session Sunday night going into Monday morning. This profile here, including the volume profile, is what we had yesterday, and this is what we had today. Each profile, of course, includes the lettered market profile as well as a volume market profile. We were mentioning on Friday that the 931 area, I think we'd mentioned it for a couple of days, was a good support area, and as you can see, the market dipped down there and hit it on Friday as a low. Overnight, even though, and then of course the market had a bit of a bounce late on Friday, but then in the overnight session you can see that it sold off in a pretty strong manner, most of the volume occurring below that 31 area, either at or below it, and where the regular trading hours opened right in here, right after the open, it really started to sell off kind of in a couple of waves, and really had a good move lower. So it certainly wasn't a surprise that we had a sell-off today after looking at the overnight session. We had also been looking at some of our overlay profiles with the realization that we had a multi-day overlay here where the market had come back inside. So that was another clue that we had that quite likely the market was showing some weakness. As far as our trades were concerned today, we had several trades today. It was a little bit difficult in the sense that if you didn't catch this first down movement here, we did not have a trade. Well, we did have a long trade off a deceleration here. It hit our first objective only. And then the market sold off. We had a short in here, which hit our first objective, and then a long here, which hit our both of our first and second objectives. We had some other deceleration bars in here. We had one trade we got stopped, another one here, which is a great trade, rallied up a couple of points. We had another short trade in here that we ended up by reversing, losing 2 ticks on reversing here and able to catch this move higher. We had another deceleration right here, as you can see, so we're able to take some profits on that. And then to finish the day, we had another long trade in here, stopped out after 10 minutes with a 3-tick loss, and then our final trade was right in here, which turned out to be a break-even trade, which is a little bit unfortunate considering that the market did rally some 3 points off of our entry price, actually over 3 points. So we had a lot of trades in this give and take down here. Unfortunately, we really didn't get, we had a setup but not a trigger to get short off of some of these important reference structures that we had here. So we're looking at an area of approximately from around 2150 to about 24 as resistance. And then today's low is support. Should the market get up and hold above below 24, I'd consider that somewhat bullish and look for a test in that 31 area. If it cannot do that, then we'll have a test of the 15 low today, 1525 low today, and then quite possibly a dip down to either 905 or 903. So that's really what we're looking at as far as the market is concerned going into Tuesday. So the video that we produce here for non-members, which is this video here, is usually a short video, usually 4 or 5 minutes, just going over our trades and how we look at the market in a fairly quick format, not a lot of detail. Of course, the video that is placed on the member section of the website usually runs 15 to 20 minutes with many more charts and a lot more detail. And obviously we can't do that in the demo here, but at any rate, we'd love to hear from you. If you've got any questions or comments, just send them to info@eminidaytrader.com. And that'll be it for a quick look at the markets for Monday, June the 15th, 2009.